Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials are at hand and ready. Open the kit and lay items flat so you can see the notebook, pens, tabs, and the starter guide. Read the sample template once to understand layout and rhythm. This saves rework. If you have an electronic stylus or light box, insert batteries or charge now so interruptions don't break focus. Once done, choose the first template and align your notebook on a stable surface to begin the first entry. You now move into detailed setup. Pick the template that matches your goal: daily log for routines, mood tracker for wellness, or project page for tasks. Lay the template under the page or transcribe headers directly. Make sure dates and priorities are clear. Color code categories so visual scanning is instant, and add index tabs to create sections. Once you've numbered pages, establish a consistent workflow. Write time estimates, migrate unfinished items, and keep a finish by reviewing the completed page to confirm spacing, alignment, and readability. This helps you avoid repeating layout errors. Add an index entry for quick lookup and mark the section with a sticker or tab so you can return easily. If ink smears, blot with a clean cloth and wait before rewriting. If entries are misaligned, realign the template and lightly pencil guidelines before inking. Finally, establish a 5-minute daily review habit to keep the journal kit working for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.